The beautiful mausoleum of Rabia ul Durrani alias Dilriz Banu Begum, the wife of the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, 1658–1707 CE, is locally called as Bibi Maqbara. This mausoleum is believed to have been constructed by Prince Azam Shah in memory of his mother during 1651–1661 CE. Dilriz Banu, popularly known as Rabia Durrani, was the daughter of Shah Nawaz Khan and a descendant of Shah Tahmasp of the Safavid dynasty of Iran. Her marriage with Aurangzeb on April 15, 1637 CE at Agra was celebrated in a grand manner by Shah Jahan. She had a pious and religious life and after her death was considered as a saint. The mausoleum draws its inspiration from the world-famous Taj Mahal of Agra, constructed between 1631 and 1648 CE, and hence it is rightfully known as the Taj of Deccan. The project of the mausoleum was completed under the supervision of eminent architects and engineers. This structure is in the form of a hexagon and the angles are ornamented with minarets. A large cusped arch in front rises almost to the total height of the building, but the real exit is through a smaller arch with folding doors at the other end and the space in between acts as a sort of portico. The mausoleum is built on a high square platform of polished red porphyritic trap. A railing of the same trap runs round the edge of the platform and a flight of steps leads down to the garden below. Each of the corner minarets has a gallery about midway and another higher up forming the base of a hexagonal pavilion which is crowned with a dome and spire. The body of the tomb is square and has lofty pointed arch, extending the whole height on each side. The high enclosure wall, crenellated with pointed arched recesses and bastions at regular intervals, are provided to cut down the monotony. A mosque is found to the west of the main structure, which is a later addition caused by Nizam of Hyderabad. The Bibi Maqbara is smaller in size as compared to the Taj, but it is planned almost on the similar lines. The typical Mughal charbagh pattern adorns the mausoleum, thereby increasing its beauty and splendor through its symmetry and excellent garden layout. There are very few examples in the world architectural showing continuity of great building tradition by the same dynasty. Almost every Mughal emperor has left behind landmarks in the history of architecture. The Bibi Maqbara is one of the shining example of the same tradition which is unique in the history of world architecture. It is an important and most impressive monument for understanding the architectural developments under the late Mughals, showing unique continuity, one of its kinds in the world. The Bibi Maqbara is one of the best example of Mughal architecture in the Deccan as well as in the South India. Archaeological Survey of India has declared this monument as of national importance via notification No.